All right, in this problem, we start with the 47-degree reference angle, and we mark our sides based off of that. So that's my 47-degree angle. Here's the hypotenuse. It's opposite the 90, and then this side is the adjacent. So using my little acronym, let's figure out which of these trig functions is going to relate the adjacent to the hypotenuse. So I go up, I look at cosine. Cosine is the one that relates or is the ratio of the adjacent to the hypotenuse. So let's go write our equation. Cosine of a 47-degree angle gives us this ratio. It's going to be x to 3. And then we go through and solve for x. So multiply both sides by 3. So I get 3 times the cosine of 47. That's equal to x. Use my calculator. I'm going to plug in 3 times and then use my parentheses. First, I'm going to enter my number, so 47. And then I want the cosine of 47. So there's the cosine of 47. And again, check up top to make sure that your syntax is right. 3 times cosine of 47. That's good. Press equals, and there's our answer. So it's 2.05, it looks like. So 3 times the cosine of 47 is 2.05. It's about what that side is, and it makes sense. It's a little bit smaller than the hypotenuse, 2.05.